Everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to show you a simple way how you can add users in Wrike. So let's start. The first thing that you want to do is just be in Wrike dashboard, and when you're going to be here, you have multiple ways how you can do it. So you won't find it on the right top side. What you need to do is to right down side, and you're going to see here add users. It's really hidden here. So when I'm going to click add users, I can simply add email here, right? Like this. Or even and have it as a regular user or external user. And now regular user can use all features. Collaborators can view and complete tasks, add comments and files. You can really choose which one you want. Invite one user. You have successfully invited one collaborator. Okay. And this is pretty much how we do it. So thank you very much, everybody. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you. And when I'm going on the Gmail right now, and look at this, I have it accept the invitation, and I just log in and voila. Thank you very much. Have a great day and goodbye. See ya.